What up, YouTube? Gonna try to make this video real quick for you. I am doing the BTR Trunion upgrade on stock lifters. Y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is. I've got my little Kaka press here. It was $50 off Amazon. Literally can't beat it. Makes life easy. The kit came with the press rings. We'll show you how to use that. Get my rocker arms all set up. Get everything all dialed in. There we go. Make my little indentation. Try to get that lined up right there. Boom, pop right out. Both of them, look at that. Real easy like. Even kept the little bearings in there, because those things are messy. I got my little tray right there where the old stock stuff can sit. I got a new set over here. So once they're out, you know, you grab your, where are they? You grab your bearings, if I can find them. Here they are. I've already done a couple of them. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it was. Obviously, you grab two. They make a very important note with the instructions. You need to have the stamped letter right there, the letters on the outside. On the outside. Put that flush letters down. They'll snug up in there a little bit, but ultimately you still want to make sure that everything is nice and square and flat. Don't forget to put your little flat ring in there. It helps out a ton. And you'll feel on this machine, I like it because it's real firm. You'll feel when that bearing gets flush in there. Just like that. Don't be silly. Don't get in a hurry. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Don't forget, before you put your second one in, put this one in there. I always leave the little ring in, so that way whenever you go to push this in, just kind of pops that ring out and you don't lose any of the needles. Makes life real easy. See if I can switch over to this one real quick. I really like this machine because it's got the wide open end to press out, and it fits just perfect on these two ledges right here for this other bearing to go in. Again, real quick, nice and easy. Letters facing out. Once you push down a little bit, that rubber seal keeps everything in line. Boom, bop, bow. Take you a little, I use the 18 mil. Got your centerpiece in, got your two bearings. You can feel it bottom out. Cap comes out, cap comes out. Check your bearings, make sure they're flush. Easy as pie. Trunion upgrade on my LS SWAP. And then obviously these are just the snap rings. Y'all know how to do that. Snap ring tool, boom, pop those in. Trunion upgrade, done. Do the rest of them. Good luck to y'all.